Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on high sensitivity. First, ensure your mouse has a reliable sensor and adjustable DPI. Begin by setting your mouse DPI to a higher value, like 1600 or 2000. Then, adjust your in-game sensitivity to a range between 0.2 and 0.4. This combination provides a good foundation for developing high-sensitivity muscle memory. Remember, consistency is key when making these initial adjustments. Once your settings are established, consistent practice is crucial. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to aim training exercises within Valorant's practice range. Focus specifically on developing precise micro-adjustments and quick flick shots, which are vital for high-sensitivity play. Consider using external aim trainers such as Cavox or Aim Lab to supplement your practice. These tools offer structured routines that can significantly enhance your muscle memory and overall aim. Applying high sensitivity effectively in-game requires strategic play. Always prioritize excellent crosshair placement, keeping it at head level to reduce the need for extensive mouse movements. Practice clearing corners with small, controlled adjustments rather than wide swings. This precision is a hallmark of high-sensitivity players. Regularly review your gameplay recordings to pinpoint specific instances where your aim or movement could be refined. Consistent self-analysis accelerates improvement. For advanced high-sensitivity play, maintaining a relaxed grip on your mouse is essential for fluid and responsive movements. A tense grip can hinder your precision. Also, ensure your mousepad provides consistent glide and ample surface area to accommodate your dynamic playstyle. And speaking of comfort, if you're looking for socks that last through countless gaming sessions, check out Darn Tough. You can find a link to them, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and you'll master high sensitivity in Valorant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.